Here we are at this abandoned Wisconsin river bank. Let's go check it out and see what we can see at the abandoned Wisconsin river bank. Stripped out. What is this? Let's see. But yep, and it's an abandoned Wisconsin river bank. Here's our inside. Where the old office used to be. For the bank, this would have been the drive up. Sorry for the music. There's music playing over here. I'm not getting to that side then. What's it look like in there? You can see some awards or pictures on the wall. Here's your canopy. Ooh, I thought that was gonna open. What's that picture? Right here, it still says, welcome. Paperwork and pictures. So someone might be using this. Maybe it's used as a Los Hernandez office. Probably not, but that's a good joke. But yep, the abandoned Wisconsin river bank. Okay, that's gonna wrap it up for the abandoned Wisconsin river bank. I love you guys. Goodbye. Oh wait, hold on. We can show you this side where it once said drive up. Then on this side, yep, still says drive up right there. Alright, I love you guys. I am out of here. Goodbye.